morning, everyone. Good morning, Mrs. Murphy.
Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Mrs. O'Hara. Mrs. O'Hara, where are you today? You don't look like you're in school.
Oh, working from home today. Working from home. But I'm still ready to sing.
Good. Well, I should hope so. We want to be able to hear you from your house.
Okay.
Good, good. Well, we've got a few requests in this week. We promised we'd have some requests. And the first request comes from somebody called Mrs. O'Hara. This isn't what's supposed to be happening. You're not supposed to be requesting songs.
Well, we said we would do 3 songs this week, and 3 songs, and then I was like, oh, but I really want to do this one as well, so we've added an extra one.
All right,
because we're going to wake ourselves up with a bit of a shake. So we've got "Wake Up, Shake Up" as our first song. Are you ready, Mrs. Murphy?
I am. Get your body moving.
Here we go.
One. Feel like I've been moving and grooving, ready to go for the next song, which has been requested by none other than Miss Oriel. Now, this is getting a bit fishy here. There just seems to be teachers requesting songs here now. I hope there's some young people actually requesting songs as well, Mrs. O'Hara.
Oh, I can't help it. The teachers love singing assembly just as much as the children do.
It's the talk of the staff room.
Yeah, definitely. So which one did she ask for, Mrs. Murphy?
Well, she asked for another great one, which is Give It All You Got. So that's what you need to do. Give it all you got.
Oh, I like this one because we can we shout our school name real nice and loudly. Give it 1, give it 2, give it 1, 2, 3. Oh, I'm clapping the right place as well.
And we are the children of
Thackley School.
Right, here we go. Give it all you got.
We are the children of every school. We take the pride
1, 2, 3. I do find that song tricky to get all the claps in the right place.
I did quite a good job actually today. I was quite pleased with myself. I like that one.
Well done, Mrs. Murphy. Well done. Our next one has been requested by one of our pods in school. It's been requested by Pod 1A, and they would like to do the Lewis Capaldi song, Somebody You Loved. So we have done this one in singing assembly before. We do like to throw in a few modern ones now and again, don't we, Mrs. Murphy?
Yeah, this is a bit of a shift in speed of song now, isn't it? We've gone from a really kind of high energy start to a, oh, someone you loved.
Bit of a change of tempo, but we're good at going with the flow at Factly Out. We will go.
Certainly are.
So here it is, Somebody You Loved.
I'm going under, and this time I fear there's no one to save me. This all or nothing really got a way of driving me crazy. I need somebody to heal, somebody to know, somebody to have, somebody to hold. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you numbed all the pain. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I'm going under, and this time I fear there's no one to turn to. This all or nothing way of loving got me sleeping without you. Now I need somebody to know, somebody to heal, somebody to have, just to know how it feels. It's easy to say, but it's never the same. I guess I kinda like the way you helped me escape. Now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. And I tend to close my eyes when it hurts. Sometimes I fall into your arms. I'll be safe in your sound till I come back around. For now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. But now the day bleeds into nightfall, and you're not here to get me through it all. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved. I let my guard down, and then you pulled the rug. I was getting kinda used to being someone you loved.
Oh, that was brilliant. I really do like that song. Good choice, 1A. Good choice.
It was a really good choice, although that's one that does make me cry in singing assembly, so
Everything makes you cry in singing assembly, Mrs. Murphy.
sorry about that. Just one of those things. But we've got a lovely uplifting one. This is absolute favourite at Factley Primary School. A favourite from teachers to children all the way through school. We all know this one really well. And this has been requested by Tyler in Pod KWB. He'll be very pleased. Morning, Tyler. And we are going to be singing the song Sing. Mrs. Patterson will be happy too.
She will be. I was just thinking that even though it was Tyler's request, I think Mrs. Patterson will be secretly going yes, because she loves this one as well. It's her favourite.
I think she'd want this one too. So here we go. Sing.
right now the world is listening to what we say. Sing it louder, sing it clearer, knowing everyone will hear. Make some noise, find your voice tonight. Sing it stronger, sing together, make this moment last forever. Old and young, shouting love tonight. To sing, we've had a lifetime to wait. Wait, 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 and see a thousand faces celebrate. We have to celebrate. You brought hope, you brought light, conquered fear. No, it wasn't always easy. Stood your ground, kept your faith. Don't you see right now the world is listening to what we say. Sing it louder, sing it clearer, knowing everyone will hear. Make some noise, find your voice tonight. Sing it stronger, sing together, make this moment last forever. Old and young, shouting love tonight. Words they can't be spoken, only sung. To hear a thousand voices shouting love and life and hope. Just sing, just sing, just Hear a thousand voices shouting love.
Oh, that was brilliant, Thackley. I really think that is starting to become a bit of a school anthem for us, isn't it, Mrs.
Yeah.
Murphy?
I think that is definitely a school anthem. In fact, I would quite like it if Gary Barlow came in to sing that song to us, maybe at Hackney
I
Primary
think we
School.
would all like it if Gary Barlow came in. Gary Barlow, if you're listening, Thackley is open for your visit whenever it's available.
Oh, that would be lovely. And so we've got a special singing assembly coming up very soon, and it's for our Year 6 children who will be leaving soon. But what we do every year is we do a special singing assembly where Year 6 children get to choose the songs, and so they do a little bit of a vote, and we choose the most popular. So this year what we're asking Year 6 children to do is those Year 6 children in school give your requests to your teachers and they will pass them on to us. But if you are at home, then you need to email your Year 6 class address to get your requests for your favourite singing assembly songs, and they can be from any time that you have been at Thackley Primary School, from reception year all the way through. You can guarantee there's always going to be, how do we do it? Sunshine, showers and rainbows. That comes out every year and it amazes me. They love that
And
song.
what's another, the school rules song? We haven't done that one for a while. They always love that one, don't they?
That's already been requested, hasn't it?
Oh, I can believe it. So do they need to get their emails in as soon as possible so that we've got chance?
I think they really need to have them in by Thursday at the latest, by tomorrow at the latest, if that's okay. And we will go through and we won't have time to do them all, but we will choose the most popular requests. So, you know, the ones that have been voted for the most times, we will choose and we will hopefully get that on for you next week.
That would be brilliant, won't it? I think even though the year sixes look forward to it, I think the whole school looks forward to it really, because it's always such a big range of songs.
It really is.
So we look forward to seeing you next week for singing assembly. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.
Bye.